Today, I'm gonna be making Thai basil chicken with fried rice. It's actually one of my favorites. I had it the first time when I was in Thailand, when I was in the Navy. A family actually took me in and showed me how to cook it. The first thing I do, I chop all my vegetables, green onions, peel the ginger, cut those up a little bit, take the garlic out, then I'm gonna dice all three of those together. Once those are diced, I'm gonna grab the chilies, cut those in real thin rings, chop up the basil, chop up the rest of the greens. Those are gonna sit on the side. And then dice the chicken thighs. I'm gonna put all of that into a bag. I'm gonna sit for about 24 hours. You're gonna start with the bacon. Then I'll crack all 14 eggs, get it mixed and stirred and ready to go. Add half of a bag of mixed vegetables. Then you're gonna add eggs into the mixture. I add a half a cup of butter. Once the butter is melted, I end up adding the rice. Then I add soy sauce. And once it's done, I put foil over it, let it get finished. Then you add the chicken and the juice together. And when the chicken is good and cooked, I'll end up adding the greens. And once that cooks down, it's ready to eat. Honestly, it's the most rewarding thing. You'll make something the guys have never even seen or never had, and they'll get a little bit of, just a little portion, and they'll eat it like this. And the next thing you know, they get up and get more. It's like, yes, winning.